Afternoon, children. Hope you
Good
are fine.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon. How are you, ma'am?
So, are you all ready with the textbook?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Did you go through the chapter? The portion till
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, can I ask you questions?
Yeah, ma'am, of course.
Oh, very good. Isha, first questions to you.
Yes,
Who,
ma'am.
who was Accio?
A Q was a court jester.
Okay, all right. Anantesh, what are the qualities of Accio?
He is self-confident,
Self-confident.
witty,
Mm.
witty,
Ah, he's witty and at the same time clever.
clever, and
Anthony, any other point to be added?
excuse ma'am, he's a feather member.
Ma'am, someone is there in the
Or
meeting room, I think so. Ma'am, can I?
Anthony, any other point to be added?
Ma'am, can I?
Qualities.
Concentrate.
Considerate.
Considerate.
Ah, yes. Accio was considerate, self-confident, and one of
Q was
the
king's
favorite
favorite.
members in the court. All right. Okay. Next question is to Harsha. What did Accio tell the man with a rat in his stomach? Don't look into the textbook. What did Accio, all of you keep your books closed, okay? What did Accio tell to the man with a rat in his stomach?
Q told the man to swallow a living cat to his stomach.
All right. Accio told the man to swallow a cat alive. Okay. Next question to Ammu. Ammu, unmute. While Accio was enjoying the feast, what did he notice? While Accio was enjoying the feast, what did he notice?
A man was putting food in his pocket.
What kind of food? Hmm? Agne, make the answer more clear.
he saw
What did
a cat.
Accio see? What did Accio notice while he was enjoying the feast with his friend?
Akio noticed that the fat man was putting sweets in his pocket.
Yes, very good. Accio noticed that the fat man was putting sweets in his pocket. Next question to Adil. What did Accio do immediately when he saw the fat man putting sweets into his pocket?
When Q saw the fat man putting the sweets in his pocket,
Priya, be quiet. Let me listen to Adil. Adil, you're not clear for me.
there was coffee in the fat man's pocket.
Once again. Okay, Adil, I understood that you have a connectivity problem, but I'm happy that you are responding well. But due to connectivity issues, I'm not able to hear you properly. Felix, give me the answer. What did Akio do when he saw the fat man putting away sweets into his pocket?
He saw that and he put in his pocket coffee.
He poured a jug of coffee into the man's pocket.
Pocket.
Okay, Akio poured a jug of coffee into the man's pocket. Okay. Next question is to Gautam. How did the fat man respond when Akio poured a jug of coffee into his pocket?
The fat man yelled it. Yelled it.
Yelled it.
He was angry.
Yelled. Y-E-L-L-E-D. The fat man yelled at Akio. Angrily. How dare you pour a jug of coffee into my pocket? That is what he asked. All right. Next question is to Chinmay.
Yes, ma'am.
How did Accio responded to the fat man?
He
How
told
did
us,
Accio respond to the fat man?
since your pocket ate these chocolates,
Mm.
it might be thirsty, so I gave it some coffee.
All right. Did Accio shouted in the same way? Just like
No,
the...
he was calm.
Yes, Accio was calm. Accio replied calmly, since your pocket has eaten so many sweets, I thought it might be feeling so thirsty. All right. Last question to Nandita. What was the question asked by the man in order to test Accio? What was the question asked by the man in order to test Accio? Nandita? The first part of the story, we find that a man decided to test Accio and he is asking a question. What was the question? Huh? Forgot?
Ma'am, can I?
Tania?
Can
Tania,
Can
give
I?
me the answer.
in the class?
Unmute and respond.
Ma'am,
Unmute and respond, Tania.
And there is someone in the meeting.
Oh, two Tania are there. What happened?
Ma'am, she is using two devices.
Ma'am, two people
are there waiting.
Somebody is giving me information. I am very much thankful to you, okay? Because that pop-up message is coming on top. So I'm not noticing it. Anyway, good. So who will answer to my last question? Priya?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can you repeat the question, please?
What was the question asked by the man to test Accio?
The man asked, in last night he was sleeping and a rat get into his mouth,
Got into.
got
When he
into
was
his
sleeping last night, a rat got into his mouth and disappeared into his stomach.
stomach.
What was he supposed to do? That was the question. All right. Okay, good. You all responded quite well. I'm happy about it. So shall we continue?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 25. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Any doubts? Do you have any doubts?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, Fia, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, you asked a question, right? What did Akio see when he was enjoying his feast?
Yes.
Ma'am, in that a fat man was stealing the sweets.
Yes, actually, he was taking the sweets without permission, which means he was stealing.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Any more doubts?
Excuse me, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Angelina?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, Nandita, tell me.
And now it's clear.
Yeah, I can hear you.
And some problem with my earphone.
All right, but your video is not on. Okay. Oh, maybe connectivity issue. All right. So we'll continue. I want Adinath to read. Once three explorers. Adinath, did you see that line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read.
Once three explorers came to see the king.
Mm.
They asked the king 3 questions which nobody had answered.
Yeah.
The king was confident of Akio's wisdom and wit.
Mm.
Therefore, he called him to the palace. Akio came riding a donkey with a stick in one hand.
Mm.
Akio requested the first explorer to ask his question.
Mm.
The explorer asked, "Where's the center of the earth?"
All right.
Without any
Okay, wait, just a
hesitation.
minute. Just a minute. Let Devak continue. Thank you, Adinath. Devak, continue. Devak.
Without any hesitation, Accio
Hesitation.
pointed his stick. Hesitation.
Mm.
Accio pointed his stick towards his donkey.
Mm.
Look, it is here,
Mm.
near the donkey's right leg.
Mm.
The explorer looked surprised.
Mm.
He asked, "How can you confidently say that the center of the earth is there and not anywhere else?"
Mm.
Accio said, "If you think my answer is wrong, find someone who can prove me wrong."
Mm.
The explorer was confused and remained quiet.
All right, thank you. So let us practice the pronunciation of words first. The first word of today, explorer. Repeat after me.
Explorer.
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 Okay, next word, confident.
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 Mark those words in the textbook. All of you mark it with pencil. Confident.
Confident.
Yes. Third word, hesitation.
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 Station.
All right. Fourth word, confused.
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 Right. Once again, explorer.
Confused. Explorer.
Explorer. Second word, confident.
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 Third word, hesitation.
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 And fourth word, confused.
Confused.
Confused. So when you learn the pronunciation of the words, you have to learn the spellings also. Okay? Kids, learn it. Oh yes, Alim is there. Okay, I have one minute.
What is the first word?
Explorer, confident, hesitation, and confused. Okay, those words, mark it and learn the pronunciation and the spelling. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Once 3 explorers came to see the king. They asked the king 3 questions to which nobody had answers. So what do you mean by explorer? What do you mean by explorer?
A person who finds things.
A person who finds a
I'm
new
a person
area,
who finds
an
new
unknown
things.
place. Okay, a
New
person who
place.
finds an unknown place or an unknown area or an unfamiliar area is called as explorer. Children, when you are not responding, please be in muted mode. Okay, if you keep on, remaining in unmuted mode, our class will be disturbed. So once 3 explorers. How many explorers came to see the king? 3. Yeah. 3 explorers came to see the king. And they had strange questions with them. Okay, 3 of them had 3 questions asked to king.
Ma'am, in the waiting room.
Oh, yes. And nobody had answers for these questions. That was the peculiarity. Okay. No one was able to give answers for the questions by these 3 explorers. So what did the king do? The king was quite familiar about the wisdom and wit of Accio. What do you mean by wisdom? Is there any difference between wisdom and knowledge? Huh? You're quite familiar with the word knowledge and wisdom. Is there any difference?
Wisdom means very wise.
Ah.
Wisdom means very wise.
The
Very
quality
wise.
of being wise. The quality of being wise is known as wisdom. Okay. We'll be able to differentiate what is right and what is wrong. A person is very wise. That is what you call as wisdom.
Knowledge.
And what about knowledge?
Knowledge means knowing everything. Knowing everything.
Oh, knowing everything. Hmm? Knowledge means the facts, information, and the skills that you acquire through education.
Okay.
Or when you speak with experienced people, that is what you call as knowledge. He has got a good knowledge about computers, which means that he has researched a lot, he has learned a lot, theoretically and practically about computers. So he has got a good knowledge about computers. But wisdom means something that has been considered as an innate quality. Okay, that is already there within you when you are born. You become wise through your experience. Okay, so king was confident of Achio's wisdom and wit. Wit means cleverness, and wisdom means a state of being wise. So king was very much sure about Achio's wisdom and wit. Therefore, he called him to the palace. So why did the king call Achio to the palace? What is the reason? Anusri, what is the reason why Achio was called into the palace by the king? Anusri? Lost the connection. Daniel? Daniel Melvin? Alok? Why was Achio called into the palace by the king? Harsha?
Achio was called by the king to the palace was to answer the questions of explorers.
Yes, very good. Perfect answer. Achio was called by the king to the palace to answer to the questions asked by 3 explorers, as Achio was very wise and clever. Achio requested the first explorer to ask his question. The explorer asked, "Where is the center of the earth?" The question is quite confusing. So the question asked by the first explorer. See, children, you have to remember what was the question asked by the first explorer. What was the question?
Where is the center of the earth?
Where is the center of the earth? That is a confusing question. Confusing question. People will not be able to give a definite answer for that. So the question asked by the first explorer was, where is the center of the earth? Without any hesitation, Achio pointed his stick towards his donkey. So Achio came to the palace riding on a donkey with a stick in his hand. And when the first explorer asked the question, where is the center of the earth? Without having any doubt, Achio pointed Achio pointed his stick towards his donkey and said, "Look, it is here near the donkey's right leg." See how funny it is? The answer is funny. At the same time, it is quite tricky. Okay, so Achio had a stick in his hand and he pointed the stick near the right leg of the donkey and said, "Look there, there is the center of the earth." The explorer looked surprised. He asked, "How can you confidently say that the center of the earth is there and not anywhere else?" Achio said, "If you think my answer is wrong, find someone who can prove me wrong." Okay, so somebody is talking there. Who is that? Without muting, you're just communicating to somebody at your home. Children, please concentrate. Listen here.
Brightlin.
Brightlin, listen here in the class. Okay, so the explorer asked, "How can you confidently say that near to the right leg of your donkey, the center of the earth lies?" So Achio said, "If you think my answer is wrong, find someone who can prove me wrong." The explorer was confused and remained quiet. So actually what happened was, Achio said is correct or not? The center of the earth is just next to the donkey's right leg.
No.
Then how come the explorer became silent and confused?
Because they cannot prove that.
Because they cannot prove that.
Yeah, exactly. Because the explorers do not know where is the center of the earth.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
only ask
How
the
can they ask? Ah, yes. See,
Ma'am, they
listen.
ask the question and no one don't know that where is the center of the earth.
Yes, they keep on asking the question that nobody was able to answer. So when the first explorer asked the same question to Accio, Accio had an answer with him. He pointed with his stick next to the right leg of the donkey and said that the center of the earth is next to the right leg of donkey. So the explorer asked, how can you confidently say that? The center of the earth lies there. So Accio gave a good response. If you think my answer is wrong, then you have to bring someone who can prove me wrong. Let's bring a person and that particular person should say that my answer is wrong. Okay. See children, if you are asking a question to someone, definitely you should know the answer. Only then the question will be relevant. Imagine that the teacher is asking questions to children. And if the teacher doesn't know what happens?
Ma'am, Sarva also coming.
Make any
Yes,
sense?
ma'am. Samna is so coming.
Who is not muting?
Ma'am,
Brightline,
I'm from
I
Bright.
will mute you, okay? Ah. All right. Okay, so we have 2 more questions to go. 2 more explorers have come that we will see in the next class. All right, it's time for us to wind up. So learn the spellings.
Ma'am, only 12:33.
All right, 2 more minutes. Okay, then I will put the dictation for the words that we learned in the last class. All of you take out your notebook quickly.
Okay, ma'am.
Quickly take out your notebook. Close your textbook. Let me see whether you have learned the spellings or not. Be honest. Okay. Don't keep your textbooks open. Close it. I'll give you dictation now. Ready? Ready or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready.
Yes,
Yes,
very good.
ma'am. We are ready.
Okay, good. Write the first word. Clown. Write the spelling of the word. Clown. Mute, all of you mute and sit. Okay, in between, no talking.
I'm finished.
Okay.
Ma'am, next one.
Second word, witty. Witty.
Ma'am, next one.
Wait.
I'm finished.
Maybe some are slow, so I have to wait for them also. Okay. Witty.
Finish, ma'am, next one.
Third word. Court jester. Court jester. Court jester.
Finished.
Finish, ma'am, fourth one. Ma'am, finished.
Wait. Don't be in a hurry.
Fourth one.
I know
Ma'am,
how
fourth
much
one.
time you need to write. Okay.
Ma'am, fourth one.
Fourth word, considerate.
Ma'am, what's the second one?
Hmm?
Finished.
Considerate. Fourth word.
Ma'am, someone is asking second one.
Second word, court jester.
Ma'am,
Court jester.
Ma'am, it's witty.
Ma'am, finish.
Second word is
Then
witty.
listen.
witty.
Okay, all right. First word, clown. Second word, witty. Third word, court jester. Fourth word, considerate.
Ma'am, fifth one.
Have you all finished 4 words?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fifth word, promptly. Promptly. Fourth word, considerate.
Ma'am, finished.
Ma'am, finished. Sixth one.
Fifth word, promptly.
Ma'am, sixth one.
Wait. Fifth word, promptly.
Okay, ma'am.
Then next word, feast. Feast.
Ma'am, can you repeat the word?
I'm finished.
Feast.
Please.
Feast. Then last word, calmly. Calmly.
Finish, ma'am.
I'm finished.
Calmly.
I'm finished.
All of you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
show me your
ma'am.
books. Show me your books.
Yes, ma'am.
Lift up your books, all of you.
Ma'am, last word.
Last word, calmly. Calmly.
Ma'am, only 7.
Ah, yes, 7 words only.
Ma'am, I wrote 7 words.
Okay, Chinmay, Gautam, Angelina, Blaswin, Catherine, Anushree, Agnay, Devak, Diya, Ayman, Felix, Anantesh, Madhav, Fia, Isha. What about others? Anina, Ammu, Chrisjo, Adinath, John Sebi. All right. Pravin, I did not see your paper. Okay, okay. Keep it down on the table. Keep
Okay,
your
ma'am.
book or paper down on the table.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm going to give you the spellings. Okay? Just check what you have written is correct or not.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Yes. If the spelling given by me is just the same as what you have written, then you can put a tick mark. First word, clown. C-L-O-W-N. Clown.
Correct.
C-L-O-W-N. Clown.
Correct.
Okay. Second word, witty. W-I-T-T-Y.
Correct. Correct.
W-I-T-T-Y. Witty. Okay. Third word, court jester. C-O-U-R-T-J-E-S-T-E-R. Court jester. Oh, Gautam is feeling so happy. See, he has sent a smiley here. All right, court jester. Then fourth word, considerate. C-O-N-S-I-D-E-R-A-T-E. Considerate.
Ma'am, can you
Many
say once
smileys
more?
are appearing on the screen. Oh, ha, ha.
Ma'am, can you say once more?
Considerate. C-O-N-S-I-D-E-R-A-T-E. Considerate. Lot of thumbs up and smiling emojis. Very nice to see. All right. Okay. Then next word, promptly. P-R-O-M-P-T-L-Y. Promptly. Oh, okay, okay, Anushree. Good, good. Promptly. Okay. Next word, feast. F-E-A-S-T. F-E-A-S-T. Feast. And last word, calmly. C-A-L-M-L-Y. Calmly. All right. Okay. So I hope you have checked your spellings. Angelina, what happened? This
Everything is
kind of
correct.
simple.
I thought I don't know it was everyone.
All right. Did you all check the spellings?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So in total, I gave 7 words. How many of you got 7 out of 10? Sorry, 7 out of 7. Huh? How many of you got 7 out of 7? Okay. Harsha,
got.
Manu,
Ma'am,
Catherine, Adina, Chinmay, Felix, Ayman, Gautam, Agnay, Devak.
Ma'am, we can mark
Raswin.
7 out of 7.
Yes. If you have got full, you can mark 7 out of 7. Okay, almost all have got 7 out of 10. Very good. Okay, anyone got 6 out of 7? 6 out of 7? Anybody got? Huh? Kevin? Nobody has got 6 out of 7. Madhav? Huh? Okay. Which spelling went wrong for you, Madhav?
Ma'am, Colchester.
Colchester. Okay.
Gorgeous.
All right. Okay. 6 out of 7 is also a good mark. Anybody got 6 out of 7 other than Madhav? No. 5 out of 7? Nobody got 5 out of 7. 4 out of 7? You have to be honest with me, okay? I do believe whatever you say because you are at home, you are writing the test by yourself, you are checking it by yourself. Okay, Crystal, very good. Nobody got 4 out of 7. Okay, everyone is showing me the page. Okay, good. So I think you all have scored 6 and 7 marks. Very good. Well done, children.
Thank you.
Very good. Happy for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll see you in the class. Learn these 4 words.
Thank you,
in the next
ma'am.
class. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye.